Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Nikki D here, back with another video. Okay, how's everybody doing? Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Okay, listen, if you hop on the live, please do hashtag live. And if you're catching me on a replay, we're going to hashtag replay on that jump, right? All right, so listen, yes, I am back with another video. All right, I promised I wouldn't stay gone too long, so I am back, and I am back with something special. Yes, something special. I know before I came to you with a mailbox opportunity, which is still good. Get with your girl on that mailbox opportunity, okay? But I have something else to share with you guys. All right. There are many people that are on my friends list that I know that are already in business. All right. There's some who might be fairly new to business. You're still trying to work out the kinks. You're still trying to figure it all out, how to properly promote your business, where it doesn't look like you're being spammy or anything. Maybe you're lacking words to come up with to kind of figure out what should I post to get people drawn to me. Hey, Takia, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, hon. And so, and I know that's how I was in the beginning. And it's all a learning curve. It's all a learning process. To say the least. I'm 5 years in and still learning. Okay, you're constantly learning every day because in online marketing, affiliate and network marketing, things change on a constant basis as far as how you market, whether how you're marketing on Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't matter. And then sometimes you may get new stuff that comes out. So you're constantly evolving and changing. So you're constantly learning. But for those of you who are brand new, don't have the first clue, and you just feel stuck. You feel like you're maybe not getting the proper training, or maybe you're getting the proper training, but you're just not getting it. It's just not quite ringing the bell. But you know that you want to make money. You know you want to make extra money. You know you don't want to go get a second job, and you know that you need it. And so I will say, okay, I have a tool that you can use that is truly amazing. I think they've been around for about 3 years. And the great thing about it is it allows you to earn 100% commissions. All right. The price point is very, very affordable. Okay. There's no monthly fee. So once you pay for it, you have it. Okay. And you can continue to earn 100% commissions off of it. All right. They have 3 levels. First level is $50. And that gives you pretty much the basics. You get closing scripts on how to close sales. You get mindset training. You're getting copy and paste posts for those of you who have a hard time forming your words to get people to your opportunity. They have copy and paste posts that you can use. So if you can copy and paste, you can do this opportunity, okay? And it's going to help you in the business that you are currently in. And if you don't have a business, you can make this your business. All right? So it's going to show you how to promote properly on Facebook, how to make sure that you're setting up your Facebook properly to get the appropriate leads to your business, okay? It's going to teach you some training on Craigslist. And the payments are instant. So if you are signed up and you know somebody else who's in a business that you're in and they're struggling too, you can share this with them and earn 100% commission. Okay, so you're helping out each other and you're both winning because now not only are you getting the knowledge that you need finally to be able to break the bank, but you're also able to earn 100% commission. Nobody is in the midst of your money. So when somebody pays you, it's going straight to you. All right, to whatever payment processor you choose. So if it's Cash App, you can make it Cash App. If it's PayPal, you can make it PayPal. If you're using Stripe, you can use Stripe. So it's definitely flexible in that sense. And there's lots of information. So at the basic level, you'll get Facebook training, Craigslist training. You'll get copy and paste posts, mindset training. And then once you upgrade to the 150 level, which I'll admit, when I first started, I started out at the $50 level. Then maybe about 2 weeks later, I don't even know if it was 2 weeks later, I went straight for the 300 because The 3 levels are $50, $150, and the $300 level. Now, at the $300 level, you're getting everything. You're going to get training on how to promote your business on TikTok, how to promote your business on Instagram, how to promote your business on Facebook, how to promote your business through Craigslist. All right, plus the mindset training, 200 different copy and paste posts that you can use. Like I said, if you know how to copy and paste, then this can definitely help you. And like I said, this is something that is an extra stream of income. And it doesn't mean that it's not taking over the business that you're currently in. It's an asset to the business that you're currently in. So if you're in a current business, this is something good to have in your caveat. So when you have people who are joining you on your team and they are trying to understand how to do business online, and it might be their first go around, this will be a good knowledge base for them to have that's going to teach them the ins and outs, and they will thank you for it. Okay. And plus it's giving them another stream of income that is instant. It is instant income. Hi, Cousin Janie. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Like I said, anybody who's coming in, that's one thing I meant to say. Tell me where you're tuning in from. Do hashtag live if you're on this live. Do hashtag replay if you're on the replay. Okay. And let me know also if you have a business. I want to know, do you have a business? If you don't have a business, are you looking to make extra money? And if so, about how much you think you're looking to make. How much, just an extra $300 a week, maybe a extra $1,000 a month. Let me know in the comments, because I know right now we're really going through a time, gas prices going up, everything has just been really, really crazy and up and down over the last 2 to 3 years. So it's been a lot of adjustments. All right. But definitely making the extra money online is something that can kind of take some of the heat and some of the pressure off of the things that we are dealing with, especially financially for those who are in financial binds. And so this is another reason why this opportunity is so good, because it's a one-time payment. So it's not like you are locked in to having to pay this monthly payment. So if you come in at the $50 level, you're not paying $50 every single month. You are only entitled to pay the $50 one time. The only additional fee that you would have to pay is $25. And that $25 is what the admin gets. Because a lot of people are like, well, how does the owner get paid? The owner gets paid through the admin fee. And what the admin fee does is a payment to her. And she actually, her and her crew, her associates, what they do is create your website for you. So the $25 is to create the website, to add your payment process and buttons. And she walks you through step by step on how to create your payment buttons. So you get to choose how you want to get paid. And it's instant. You cannot beat that. And nobody is messing with your money. It's going straight to you. It's member to member. All right. And she literally walks you through how to set it up so you can get your website. Okay. Closing scripts. How do you talk to people when they come to you asking for information? How to close a sale. Mindset. How to get your mindset right so you can be as successful as possible in this business or in any business that you are in. All right. At the lowest level, 50 different copy and paste scripts that you can use, because you can't think of anything else, and you just know that you want people attracted to your business. So they have these things for you to use. All right. And I just think it's really an amazing program, a genius program. I think anybody in business should have this program up underneath their belt, especially if you are in the niche of having teams in your business and you are growing a team. If you're growing a team, you have to have tools. You have to have these things that you can offer people, a variety of things that you can offer people to help them in their journey, because through helping others, you're helping eventually you're going to be helped. Okay. You will be rewarded for helping others. Okay. So it's not all about making the money. It's about what's going to help people expand on what they're doing. What's going to help people to really reach the goals that they are trying to reach. Because it's not going to be no fun if you're making all the money and then your team members aren't making anything. That's not a good look. And it shows that, have we really helped anybody? Have we really helped the person? And so you have to have as many tools as possible in your caveat. So when somebody joins and they're like, well, I don't understand this. I don't know how to do this. Or I don't know how to do that. I'm not good with creating posts. I'm not good with doing this or doing that. Well, you can have this here for them so they can use that, and these different posts that they can use can help them to gain traction in their business, plus gain traction in this. Okay, so they can earn money both ways. All right. That's how it works. That's what makes the world go round. Each one teach one. Each one teach one, right? So if you're interested in instant commissions, if you are interested in something that's going to help you grow your business, if you're interested in just, like I said, just additional income, definitely message me. Okay, definitely message me. We also have a Facebook proof group. I can add you in that so you can see how people are getting paid. And this is something that will help you in promoting this, okay? Because people can automatically see what it is that people are doing. And then we have a paid members group, which is a coaching group. So you also going to get additional coaching on top of what is in the training, on top of what is in the back office. You will get additional training from the owner herself in the paid group, okay? That's going to help you in your businesses, okay? Businesses. So definitely lots and lots of value. Lots of value here. All right. So listen, hit me up. You can comment below if you want. And what you can, just comment info. We're going to keep it simple. Just comment info if you're wanting to get a little bit more information about this. And I will definitely get it over to you all. So like I said, I hope everybody is just enjoying their Sunday. But this is just something for you all to think about as you're going into your new week. You're setting new goals for yourself, and you want to have something that's going to help you to attain these goals. All right. To the best of your ability, and it's always better when you have, I say, a cheat sheet, a little something extra that can just help you to move along the way, and cut that learning curve in half, and so I think this is just a great way to start off your week. All right. So with that being said, like I said, everybody enjoy your Sunday. Have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. Write down your goals for the week. What is it that you want to accomplish for the week? All right, let's pray on that thing. Let's get it. It's 2022. It's a new month. It's April. It's springtime. And, I think April is just the best time of the year because I love spring. I'm a spring person personally, but it's like the best time because you're coming out of that coldness, you're getting into that warm weather, and it's it kind of wakes you up a little bit. It wakes you up out of your slumber, so if you feel stuck in the wintertime, this is a good time for you to really start to get things going. All right. Hey, what's going on, JD? Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Like I said, make sure that you all are hashtagging live if you're live, hashtag replay if you're catching the replay. Share with somebody if you know somebody who is looking to earn extra money or needs help in their current business. Share this video. All right. With that being said, it's Nikki D here. I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. That is mentally, physically, and spiritually. And with that being said, I'm out. Ta-ta. Talk to y'all later. Bye.